What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another solo video. It's on unboxing today, and this is not actually the real game. It's a Murder Mystery 2 testing server. So yeah, I hope we get a godly. We're gonna start unboxing. So I'm gonna, you know what? Let's try for Lago. I'm gonna try for Lago. Speed unbox, speed unbox, speed unbox. Oh, unbox. This is actually the first unboxing video I've made. So don't mind me not getting a godly, I don't know. So let's see how this goes. I started this game like today and I already got like seed. And wait, did I forget to craft that seed? Wait. I think I can craft another seed. Let's check. Okay, whatever. Claim. Do I? How many seeds do I have? I just have one, yeah. I think I can craft one right now. View crafting station. Oh no, I need two more. I don't want to break my set. Guys, should I do it? Okay, let's just do it for YouTube. Come on. I didn't want to do this. No. There, lost. Then let's make the seal now. Craft. Cool. We have two seeds now. X2. Okay. Now I have 6,000 diamonds. Let's see what I can buy. I practically just bought everything I know, and I love it. So now, you know what? Let's unbox rainbow box. Let's try for heat now. Speed unbox. Yes, I think this is I'm gonna get shiny ones. At least once I need to get it. I knew it. Pink. Now I'm gonna get red. Now I will get about red. Okay. Yeah. Now I put pink again. Pink, red, pink, yellow. Now I'm unboxing again. I'll just go until I don't get heat. I don't know if I will. Faster. Come on, faster. Look in the chat. The chat is crazy, right? You know what? Let's just off the chat for extra suspense. So if we get a godly, it'll be like, I don't know, crazy. Purple. Come on. Yeah, so it's been like 2 minutes unboxing. I have not even seen a godly. That's not good. I do not know whether if I will get a godly. I just have like 60 tries or something because I have 6,000 gems. I can buy more by 1 Robux. And if you want to play this game, link will be down in the description below. So yeah, if you want to play, go check it out. Oh, I got shiny. Yes, I got shiny, I guess. Nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna unbox for a godly. Oh, oops, I need to speed unbox again. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I saw heat at the end. I thought I was gonna get it, but I didn't. I just saw it, like at the very edge. Oh, they're not starting. Green, okay. Oh no, chat open. Oh yes, another shiny. Let's go. I can see shinies, but I do not see a heat anywhere, except that one time. Good going. Has seen a godly once till now, and the murderer is insane right now with that knife. He's just killing everybody. Oh no! Run! I'm gonna die! Can't see! No, please don't creep up on me. Can't even see. Please don't creep up on me. Oh my god! I thought for 1 second she's the murderer. Where's the gun? No, never mind. I died. So like now, one sec. Let's. Yeah, ignore that background. Oh, sorry. Wrong box. Sorry, guys. Wrong box. Yeah, sorry. That's the wrong box for 1 second. Come on. Unbox faster, you troll. This game is kind of troll also. It trolls me. And my friend told me about this game. So like now we are going to unbox for Godly. I already unboxed Shark. As you can see, I already unboxed Shark. I'm going to unbox, and oh, 3 pinks in a row. You have to be kidding me. Let's oh my gosh, some other one. Whatever. So now I just have like 15 more tries. I don't think I'm going to get it. I think I'll make a part 2 of this. If this video can get 10 likes, I'll make a part 2. And I hope that time I unbox a Godly at least. Yeah, last 11 times to go. Oh my gosh, I saw heat! So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get a heat now. Like it's like impossible to get in 10 boxes. And yeah, I think that's it for the video. I don't unbox a Godly. 6 more boxes. Let's just keep trying. Hopefully we do. Okay, let's now unbox one last time. Okay, last 2 times. Let's go. Okay, hopefully I get it. Yeah, last time. I can do even more 4 times, kind of. Let's see. Come on! Oh my gosh, I died and I tried to unbox a Godly, so like, let's just do something. Yeah. Let's just do that and unbox like 10 more times, and then we'll end it. Because I felt kind of bored because I didn't even get any good item except shiny. I just got 2 shinies, that's it. Come on, heat, I need heat. Oh my gosh, another shiny, yes. Brown now. Oh my gosh, I saw heat. Oh my god, my luck is really bad. I'm seeing it, I'm not getting it. Stop trolling me, game. Okay, last 3 times. Okay, so now it's gonna be 1. Now 2. Okay, the last time I'm unboxing now. Hope I get it. Let's do this. Oh my god, I clicked it accidentally. Okay. Red. 2 reds. Okay. It shows me that I've earned few of them. You know what? Let's just buy one more thing. Wait. Let's go in the shop. Wait. Let's just buy all of these. Yeah. I have a good idea. Let's just buy all of these. Buy it. That's just 100. Just 100. This is 400. Oh, okay. Oh, I already have ghost. I'll buy this. I'll buy sprint. Now I'll buy fake gun. After fake gun, let's buy haste also. I guess let's buy haste. And let's buy the trap. Okay guys, that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a great day. Goodbye.